Hello fellow humans, so welcome to another installment in my Harry Potter DIY series, and today I'm just going to be making a wand because I feel like it and I felt like I should just document the process. I have made more than one wand before. I have made two wands before. One of them was made in a similar process to what I use in this video, and the other one was just a stick that I had lying around that I just hot glued to make it look better. I don't have the other wand to show you. Maybe I can find it because I did give it to my friend, so maybe I can get the one from her, but we'll have to see about that. For now, we can just enjoy looking at this. So I got my wooden stick and I cut it to the length that I wanted. Now I didn't have a specific length in mind, but I did 12 3/4 inches because the number 12 is really important to me, and then 3 times 4 equals 12. And I also wanted my wand length to have kind of like an absurd number, which was like, you know, 3/4 or 5/6 or something that's just like really strange. Now, when choosing your stick, you don't have to have it be completely straight. I feel like it would be really cool to have a stick that has a lot of character in it, which has a bit of like a bend in it or a wave, or it twirls around a little bit. You could probably find a really cool twig like that. My brother's one, the one that he made, is also one which has like a bit of a bend in it, and it looks really cool. I did try and find it so I could show you on video, but he has lost it, so I will probably update my like Instagram or upload on TikTok if I find that one, because it's really cool. But I just like sanded down the stick that I had, and this again is a very therapeutic step. I love sanding, and it honestly doesn't take that long before your stick or whatever wood piece that you're sanding becomes so smooth. So now to make the wand handle and distinguish it from the wand barrel, I guess. That doesn't really make sense, but to basically make the handle, I chose to tear up some old paper so I could paper mache it. And now this newspaper I have used before. I have used it as a background so I could paint on top of it. So if any paint got around the actual canvas that I was painting on, it didn't really matter. And I did drip painting on this anyway, so it's really messy. But I just reused that paper and I tore it all up, and then I mixed up my glue and water mixture, and I just started paper macheing it onto my stick. Now, use a little bit more glue than I did. That's probably a better call of action. Now obviously the next step was to paint it, so I painted it with a base coat and then I went over that with a darker color, the color that I wanted most of my wand to be. But I also made some of the lighter color, which I used as my base coat, peek through so that it gave the wand I have a little bit more character, and it didn't make it just look like a dark brown void in someone's hand. Now for the detailing on this, I got some garden wire or some florist wire, which I'm actually sure is what the actual name is. And with this florist wire, I just braided it like you braid hair. And after braiding it, I just coiled it all up into a snake-like thing that I could twirl around my wand. And after hot gluing that into place, it was done. So thank you for watching. I hope that you're having a good day. I hope that you continue to have a good day, and I will see you next time.